Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage automatic parking. In the beginning, from the home page of the car, let's go to camera. Next, select automatic parking, and now select type of parking. You can select forward, parallel, backwards. Next, ensure it's safe before maneuvering. Select parking, space. Next, fasten seatbelts and select drive or reverse. Then, when it's available, tap start. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.